planning to study in the UK, getting a student visa is a crucial step. In this video, we'll guide you through documents needed for the application, how to book an appointment easily, common mistakes to avoid, documents needed. Step 1. Obtain your CAS, confirmation of acceptance for studies, from your university. It confirms your admission and costs £25. Step 2. Prepare financial proof, like bank statements, sponsor letters, or scholarships, to show funds for tuition and living expenses. Step 3. Take your English proficiency test. Make sure you meet the minimum required score for your course, and always take UKVI-approved tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or PTE. Step 4. As part of your application, if you will stay in the UK and study for more than 6 months, you will need to pay a fee called an Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS. The surcharge for a student visa will be a fee of £776 per year for each full year you are in the UK. Where your stay in the UK includes part of a year, you would be charged £388 for periods of 1 to 6 months and £776 for periods of 6 to 12 months. Step 5. Fill out the online visa application. This will be done through the official UK government website. To submit the online application, you must pay the visa application fee, currently £490 for both students and their dependents. Step 6. Submit your supporting documents, including your passport, CAS, financial proof, and English test results. Step 7. Wait for your visa decision. This can take up to 8 weeks, but processing times may vary depending on your application. How to book an appointment for a UK student visa via UKVI account. Log into your UKVI account and click the booking link provided. Through UKVCAS support line, call UKVCAS to request an appointment during the visa process. Here are a few common mistakes to avoid during the application process. Incomplete documents. Always double-check your checklist to make sure all documents are submitted. Incorrect financial proof. Ensure your documents show the correct amount in GBP and are up to date. Choosing the wrong visa. Make sure you apply for the right visa type based on your course and situation. Missing the health surcharge. Don't forget to pay the Immigration Health Surcharge, IHS, with your application.
Explore Nyo to get unbeatable prices on visas, flights, discounts on activities, and much more. Download Nyo today.